This like-new luxurious sedan features some of the industry's most advanced safety technology, and it expresses what most people think of when they think of Mercedes: status in an elegant, understated fashion. This one-owner 2011 luxury model is nicely equipped with navigation, a backup camera, leather and heated seating, a sunroof, all power options and push-button start. Clean Carfax report. You've got to get behind the wheel of this nice sedan. Call or click and send us an email today to arrange an appointment for your own personal demonstration and test drive. Let us show you just how easy it is to do business at Mercedes-Benz of Northwest Arkansas. It's what you deserve.